guys, this is Nita and welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. And this weekend, I'm going to give you a little bit of an inside peek to a girlfriend weekend with some of my Mary Kay girls and our January jump retreat. So it's a really great time to renew, refresh, and get ready for the new year. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll be right back. So one of the most fun things about going on these girlfriend trips is staying in these different Airbnbs. And this is the cutest little cottage. I absolutely love it. So they have, it's still decorated for Christmas. So I want to kind of show you around a little bit. Today, but you know, nothing we can't power through. So one of the things I like to do when I am in Virginia is I like to go visit all the people that I don't get to see. So we're on our way to Baskin Robbins because I know the owner and she's a woman-based business. So I'm excited to go eat some ice cream, even in the rain, with my girls.
Just a regular store cleanser, and so I went up on marykay.com. I found me a local consultant. She met me at a gas station, and I was like, she needed a girl, help me. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yes,
it's
Transformers.
Optimus Prime, right?
That's so
Bumblebee.
cute.
Optimus Prime is yellow.
My kids went through a Bumblebee phase.
Oh, the Bumblebee for Mary Kay. Yeah, I love it.
Oh, haha.
Right?
Okay, so I just got done with an amazing Mary Kay retreat here in Northern Virginia, and I just have to say that every year I come back, it keeps getting better and better. And this theme was about Barbie, living your Barbie dream life. And for me, living my Barbie dream life was being able to take my kids with me and enjoy a little R&R from our busy life in Colorado. So in Mary Kay, you really can create any life you want of your dreams. So I'm so excited for you to see a sneak peek of our January jumpstart and my weekend with my Mary Kay girls in Virginia. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next